What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. Another exciting day for the Galaxy Watch users out there. Samsung has started rolling out a brand new update for the Galaxy Watch 8 series, and this time this is the security patch for November 2025. And this update has arrived on the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic that you see here. This is a Bluetooth variant and I've got the update on this. If you own an LTE variant, you might have to wait for it because sometimes the update for the LTE variants get delayed. So patiently wait for it. Now the update has arrived on this watch here. This is the Bluetooth variant like I said. Now let me go to the settings, tap on software update, download and install. You can see the latest update is available here. It says update your watch, install now or install overnight. You can see under what's new, it says stability and reliability, device behavior has been improved. Security, the device is protected with improved security. Now let me just go down here. Now you can see the update information. Size is 177.66 MB and the version number ends with AYK1 and the security patch level is November 2025. Now the same update is available for the Galaxy Watch regular as well, the regular 8. Let me just show you that. Let's go to the settings here, about watch, software information, and here you go. We got the Android security patch level 1st November 2025. So the Galaxy Watch 8 regular as well as the Classic have been updated. If you're facing any issues with the watch with respect to the lag or stutter or any bugs on the watch, any inaccuracy in health-centric measurements, then this update should fix those issues on your watch. So do go ahead and update it. Now, the Watch 8 series are on November security patch, but the Galaxy Watch 6 series, the classic one, even though it got the latest One UI 8 watch update, it is still on the October security patch. Let me just show you that. There is still some lag and stutter on this watch. I'm not sure what is wrong after the update. I did clear the cache partition and it seems like it is still has got some issues. It still lags and stutters after the update. Now let me just show you this. Let's go to the about watch software information. You can see it's One UI version 8.0 watch and the security patch, the Android security patch is October 2025. So we haven't got the latest November patch yet on this watch. Understandable, probably because this is an older device, it's a different version. So these security patches will vary. And maybe that is the reason it is still on October patch. I don't think we'll get the November patch for this. We'll probably get another update after a couple of months from now. So that is what it is for the Galaxy Watch 6 series. As far as the Galaxy Watch 7 or let's say Watch Ultra 2024 is concerned, we don't have any update yet. Software update, download and install. Here it says watch is up to date. Now, if I check the About Watch section and software information, you can see the Android security patch here on the Galaxy Watch Ultra is 1st August 2025. So we haven't got the update yet. This is the LTE variant. Probably on the Bluetooth variant you would have received it, but I haven't received this on the LTE variant yet. So that is something I wanted to keep you guys posted. So this is it. The Galaxy Watch 8 series have received the update, the security patch. Go ahead, update it. And if you missed the video on the One UI 8 features for the Galaxy Watch 8 series, 7 series or Galaxy Watch 6 series, those videos are available on the channel. You can go ahead and check them out. That's something I want to share with you guys in this video. My next video about the Galaxy Watches will be about clearing cache partition. I will show you step-by-step guide on how you can make your Galaxy Watch work smoother and faster by clearing cache partition. Stay tuned for that video, and if you want to stay updated with everything that's happening with your devices, then be sure to hit the subscribe button, become a part of Apex community, and give this video a like if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.